Now it's time for an interesting and informative presentation by the students of class 5th on one of the topics of social studies. I warmly invite the students of class 5th to come on stage and begin their presentation in the gracious presence of our ma'am. Let us encourage them with a big round of applause.
Assalamu alaikum and a warm welcome to everyone present here. Today, before we begin our discussion, we are honored to welcome our special guest, Mr. Tausif Rana sir, a respected social activist from Baramulla. His dedication to society and positive work for the community inspire us all. We are grateful for his presence and warmly welcome him to be with us today. Now, let's move towards today's discussion that's about weather and climate. Dear learners, have you ever noticed that some days are sunny, some are rainy and some are very cold?
Yes, ma'am.
This day-to-day condition of the air around us is called
Weather.
Now think about places like Kashmir, where winters are usually cold. Every year, or deserts where it stays hot for a long time. This long-term pattern of weather is a place is called.
Climate.
So today, we will learn the difference between weather and climate and why both are important in our daily life. Now let's know more about it from someone.
Climate. Weather refers to the atmospheric condition at a place over a short period. Climate of a region experienced over a long period. Weather is temporary and often changes, but climate remains stable over a long period. Moreover, weather prevails over a small area like a sea, and climate prevails over a large area like a country. Both weather and climate are interrelated as weather is a part of climate. Several factors that are used to determine weather of a place. Some factors are sunshine, clouds cover, precipitation, air pressure, etc. These are recorded to daily forecast weather of a place. In India, we experience 5 main seasons. These are spring, summer, monsoon, autumn, and winter.
Atif, can you explain the difference between weather and climate?
Weather is the day-to-day condition of atmosphere at a place and time. Climate is the average weather of a place over a long period of time.
Sabahat, can you name some important factors affecting climate?
Sure. Distance from the equator, height above the sea level, distance from the sea, winds, and rainfall.
Uzair, can you tell us how prevailing winds affects climate?
Temperature prevalent in a place governs the flow of winds. Winds blow from a cool place to a hot place. Sea breeze and land breeze. During the daytime, the land becomes hotter as compared to the sea. This causes the wind above the land become warm, since the sea is cooler than the land. During daytime, the wind above the sea is also cooler.
Aisha Mansoor, what do you understand by moisture?
Moisture. Moisture causes humidity and make a place cooler. The cooler a place is to the sea, the cooler humidity and vice versa.
Now, climate zones of the earth. The earth is divided into different climate zones based on temperature. Some places are very hot and some are cold. Some are moderate. Now, students, do you know why some places on earth are very cold or some places are very hot? This happens because the earth has different climate zones. We will learn about them. Let's know about it from Zoya.
The area with similar climatic conditions are grouped together as a climate zone. The Earth has 3 climate of heat zones. First one is torrid zone, second one is temperate zone, third one is frigid zone. Thanks.
Very nice. Well done, Zoya. Climate zones are different parts of the earth with different types of weather. The 3 main climates are torrid zone, that is very hot, temperate zone, that is moderate, neither topic clearly. Thank you.